Hello, kindergarten friends. It is Mrs. Merritt here, and today I am going to teach you Module 4, Lesson 10, and we have a really important objective. Today, we are going to model decompositions of numbers 6 through 8 using linking cubes. Now, I understand at home you may not have linking cubes, so if you want to draw squares on your paper, that's great. Or if you want to find 6 of something, maybe you can get out those crackers again. Or you could grab some crayons, anything that you have 6 of. That's the main number we're going to focus on today, is number 6. And yesterday we talked about decompositions, and that's a really big word, I know. But let's remember that to decompose something, it means to have a whole and break it into 2 parts. All right, are you ready? Here we go. Okay, so to start off, we're going to play a little game called Snap. And I want you to look at my 6 stick on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now these are also 6 sticks, but they have parts hidden. So it's our job or our challenge to figure out what is hidden. So I'm going to make this super simple for you. You can either draw 6 squares, but I'm going to put up 6 fingers. So if you could put up 6 fingers with me to start, that'd be great. And then for your part, you can do the drawing. So here we go. We put up 6. Now how many do we see here are uncovered? 1, 2, 3. I want you to put 3 fingers down. 1, 2, 3. How many fingers do you have left? 3. Very good. Let's see if there's 3 hiding here. 1, 2, 3. Great job. Now, the challenge with this game is we have to see how quick we can do it. So, put up those 6 fingers again. Let's count how many we see. 1, 2. How many do I have left now? How many fingers do I have left up now? Let's see if we are right. I think it's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now, here's your challenge. I want you to pause the video, and I want you to figure out how many cubes you think are hiding for this 6 stick. Go ahead and pause the video and figure out how many are hiding for this 6 stick. All right, I'm glad to see you're back. Let's see. 1, 2. If you said 2, you got it right. Great job. Keep up your hard work. Go ahead and pause me again, and let's see how many cubes are hidden with this 6 stick. Okay, let's see if you're right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out, and 1 is hidden. Keep up your great work. Now go ahead and do the last 2 on your own. This one and this one. Okay, how many do you think are hiding here? Let's see if you're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll go to this one. Are any hiding here? No, they tried to trick us. Look it. Nothing shows up here because we already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. All right, now, I know we said we were going to work with numbers 6 through 8, but I'm thinking that that's very tricky for our first day. So let's just focus on the number 6. Here we go. I want you to draw 6 cubes or get your 6 objects ready to follow along with me. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cubes on one stick. And how many on this one? Just 1. So I want you to put up 5 fingers, and I want you to put up 1 finger on your other hand. And let's count our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did we get 6 for our whole? Yes, very good. So this is a little bit tricky, but we're going to start to write some number sentences. So remember, our number sentences start with our whole equals our part plus our part. So our whole we said was 6, and that equals this part and this part added together. So let's count this part just to double check. They said it was 6 equals 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1. Okay, I think we're ready for a challenge. So we had 5 and 1 in our last. That's where we left off. Now I want you to take off 1 cube or move 1 object to this cube stick. How many do we have here now? 1, 2. How many do we have here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. What are our pairs now, or our partners, or our parts? We know our whole is going to be 6. Well, what are our 2 parts? Very good. This is 1 part, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is our other part, and it's 1, 2. So our number sentence looks like this. 6 equals 4 plus 2. So our whole equals our part plus our part. Very good. Let's go on to the next one. Okay. Wow. Now they want us to take off another cube and add it to our 2 stick. Okay. So look at our 2 parts here. We have 1, 2, 3. And our other part is 1, 2, 3. So our number sentence is whole equals part plus part. I want you to pause the video and write your number sentence. So whole equals part plus part. I'm so glad to have you back. Let's count our whole, because that's our first thing we need to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 equals, and then how many are in this part? 3, very good. Plus, how many are in our second part? 1, 2, 3. Awesome. So 6 altogether equals 3 plus 3. Great job. Got 1 more to do. Maybe 2 more if we really want a challenge. Now, they want us to take up another cube off to make this one a 4 stick. So we're going to do that right now. And we have to figure out our partners. So we know, let's count our whole. I think we know it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. 6 equals, where'd they get this 2? Very good, right here, this part right here. 2 plus, what's our other part? 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. So this is a new challenge for Mrs. Merritt. I'm going to try to write a 4 with my mouse. There we go. 6 equals 2 plus 4. Great job. We do have 1 more. We must have done so well they added another one. Okay, now I'm going to start looking at this number sentence, and then we're going to have a picture to match it. Okay? So it says 6 equals 1 plus 5. So let's count both of our parts. 1, 2. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know 4 and 2 equal 6. So our whole is right. But I don't see a 2 and a 4 there. How can I match my picture to my number sentence? Very good. We are going to drag a cube over and add it to this. And let's see if that matches it. So we have 6. We still have 6 even though we moved something. 1. Yep, I've got a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, great job, guys. Thank you for helping me solve that. You guys did such an amazing job today. I am so proud of you. I have 2 challenges for you if you would like. So all of these number sentences are so lonely because they don't have any number bonds. So you can go back through the slides and use the number sentences to write number bonds. I know the number sentences would really appreciate that. That's your first challenge. Your second challenge is, if you would like, you can log on to Clever and go to ABC and play Marble Math Edition. It's doing the same thing we were doing before, but it's just with marbles. So I'll show you how to get there. Okay. You are going to go to Clever and click on ABC. Once you get there, you'll hit kindergarten, the K for kindergarten, 1, 2, 3 numbers, and it's right here. You click on that, it will load up and it will let you play this game. So don't worry if you didn't have anything to put in front of you while we were doing those problems. This is a great resource to do that. I can't wait to see your hard work, and I'll see you tomorrow.